Hello, this is Greg with the Reader Products, and today we're going to show and demonstrate the RPS100 belt sander. It is a 2x72-inch belt sander with a variable speed controller and a 1.5 horsepower ball bar motor. It is great for a knife maker, hobbyist, or a machine shop. Here we are demonstrating how to quickly change from a vertical position to a horizontal position and back. The work rest easily rotates to a horizontal position when ready to rotate the belt sander. We have mounted our RPS100 belt sander on a table stand from Harbor Freight. You can pick them up for around $28. This is our storage area for our attachments and all our sanding belts. We have a flat platen or slack belt attachment with a work rest, a small wheel attachment for small radiuses with a rear idler wheel positions. Small contact wheels are available from 1/4 inch to 2 inch in diameter. We have a 4-inch contact wheel, a 10-inch contact wheel. We have a hollow grind or straight grind attachment, and a knife sharpening attachment, which further into the video we will show you how they work. Here you can see how to quickly change small radius contact wheels for your different needs. Great for working on knife handles and small radius work. Once the belt is in place, you unlock the belt tensioner and adjust the tracking wheel, and you're ready to work. Placing either one or two steel idler wheels in the rear of the small wheel attachment allows you to generate a full 180 degrees of radial belt contact. Contact wheels come in 1/4 inch to 2 inch and quickly change without any tools. Changing an attachment bar is quick and simple. Once the belt is in place, you're going to release the tension, adjust the tracking wheel, and you're ready to work. You can also change just the contact wheel without changing the complete attachment bar. This keeps costs down and leaves more room for storage. The most commonly used is the flat platen or slack belt attachment. It can be used with or without a work rest and is adjustable for angle in relation to the work rest. This attachment comes standard with the RPS100 kit. This is the knife sharpening attachment, and it attaches to the flat platen attachment. When sharpening, we normally run the machine in reverse. It is adjustable for angle by raising or lowering the rest. And here we are sharpening an 8-inch chef's knife with a 1200 grit belt. This is the disc sanding attachment, and we are preparing the side surface of a knife prior to mounting the handles. Typically, a disc sheet is usually less expensive than a sanding belt.